Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Please subscribe if you are new in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a post. So creating a post in WordPress is similar to creating a page. So in case of creating a post, you just have to go here in the post, click there, and on the right side, you can see there's an add new button. You just press there, and now you can see that it is asking for a title. So maybe you can start creating your post. So I'm going to create 18 posts now. I'm not going to show every one, just I'm going to show you how I'm going to create the first one. So I will create a post for healthy food 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 of the healthy food post I will create. So I'm showing you the first one. You just write the healthy food. Remember, we are creating a website for restaurant. So we have already created the pages. We have already created the menus. So where we have created, you just go in the description box and start following this series. So healthy food 1. And if you go here, you can see that it is visible to publish immediately. You can even publish it later. I mean, you can save it as a draft, and you can also see the permalink here, the categories. So tags, I mean, you can choose the categories and tags. So I'll show you later. So featured image. You can choose a featured image. I mean, whenever this post will appear in your blog page, it goes with an image. So we're choosing this food image, and we're selecting this food image and set feature image, and you can see the feature image has been set. And these categories and tags, I will show you later on how you can actually do the tagging and categories, because we haven't created the categories and tag yet. But the next video, I'm going to show you how you can create categories, and later on I'm going to show you how you can create tags, and then you can incorporate those two in your post. Now this is done. Here there are other options that you can navigate around to see how they works. Yeah, so it's done. Publish. And now this post is published as healthy food 1. And we go back in our posts. I already have some posts previously, testing post, but you can see that healthy food 1 has been created, and it's just easy. And you can also create the other posts using the same method. And start just following this tutorial series, and in the end I'm going to make a complete website for our restaurant. Thanks for watching.